Hello everyone, welcome to another card making tutorial on my YouTube channel. Since Diwali is just around the corner, I thought I'll make something very simple. So this is a very clean and simple card. I wanted to kind of use very few products and make a card. So I start off with a base of CrafTangles dual textured white cardstock, and then what I did was I went back and kind of created 4 different sized blobs of red chalk paint. Now you could have used honestly watercolors or any product that you like. Personally, I wanted to kind of play around with more of a contrast, and I wanted the red to really pop. So this is one of my favorite red color that I tend to use in my project. And then I wanted to add some gold splatters just for some Diwali splash, just to make it more festive. So I added some watercolor pans gold color, and then I'm using this particular die cuts which I have cut out of a white cardstock. The die set is CrafTangles Happy Diwali die set. Now, as always, whatever products I used will be linked below in the blog as well as the description of the YouTube video. So please feel free to check them out in case you're curious. And then you can see my assembly that I had thought of. So the lower bottom part is where the Shubh Deepavali or the sentiment will go, and then at the top part I had kind of decided to put 3 different symbols of Diwali, which again are die cut from the same die set. So it kind of cut out many more things. I just wanted to concentrate on these 4 part of the dies. And then you can see kind of I'm done with the card. It's, as I said, I wanted to do something which is very simple, and this is something which can be easily mass produced in different colors. So you could go like yellow, green, orange, red, and kind of create something different colored for everyone. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the regular CrafTangles note card, and that's basically a card base plus an envelope combination. And then I'm putting this piece on top of it, and I'm just just to add a little bit of interest, I have kind of used foam tape so it will kind of pop up on the top of the card base, and then I'll call my card done. As always, I'll leave you with a lot of close-ups of the card. And in case you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you back with another card soon. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.